Good morning, afternoon, evening, night, or whatever, depending on your time zone. As always, ignore the background noise. Today, we are going to look at the logic behind a redstone CCA. What you're seeing behind me is an 8-bit redstone CCA or carry cancel adder. I will link the original creator's video in the description if I remember to link it, of course. A redstone CCA is basically an adder that has two numbers together. For example, 16 plus 4, that should equal 20, and the answer is correct. An 8-bit adder can give a result as high as 255 if you ignore the carry out, as you can see in this clip. Without wasting any more of your time, let's look at how the redstone CCA performs addition. But before that, let's look at how we humans normally perform binary addition. So we go from right to left. The first thing we have to add is 1 plus 0, that equals 1. There we go. Now we have 1 plus 1 in binary addition, that equals 0, and then 1 carried over to the next slot. Then we have 0 plus 0 plus carry 1, that equals 1. And then I think you got the idea by now, and so I will complete the rest of the addition. There we go. So the answer is 100,101. Now let's check our answer by converting these into decimal number system. So this is 27 in decimal, and this is 10 in decimal. So 27 plus 10 equals 37. So the answer is this is 5, and that is 32 is equals to 37, and the answer is correct. Now this is how we humans do binary addition, but the CCA over there, no, that's the wrong CCA. The CCA like over there does this differently, and I'll show you right now. So here we are back at 1 plus 0. Now here we will not write the result as 1. We will instead write 0 and then 0 to the other column's result, and so on, because 1 plus 0 does not generate any carry, which is why we will write 0 continuously. But now here we have 1 plus 1. So here we will write 1 and so on, because 1 plus 1 generates a carry to the next column. Now we have 0 plus 0. Now this doesn't generate a carry once again. So guess what we do? We write 0 and so on. And you probably get the idea by now. So I will complete this. So the result is 0 1 0 1 0. Now 0 obviously continues to the, you get the idea, alright. Now you might say that, hey, this isn't the right answer. You just taught it the wrong result. Now hold on your horses, buddy, because this isn't the actual result. This is actually the carries. So if we just grab them and put them over there, you get this 10100. Now, if you have good memory, unlike mine, you will notice that these carries are the same as when I showed how we humans normally do binary addition. That means when you give two inputs to the CCA, the CCA will already know what the carries will be, and it will not have to go right to left to know what the carries are. That means that all the numbers can be added independently. Let's do the same thing on this redstone machine or whatever. Imagine this as 1 plus 1 that generates a carry. So all these lanterns will light up. Why the hell is that one not lighting up? Alright, now it's fixed. So as you can see, this is 1 plus 1. So these all lanterns will light up. Imagine these as the carries. So let's say now we have 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 0 or whatever over here. So it will not generate any carry. So from here, all the lanterns will turn off, meaning that no carry is generated. Now if we do 1 plus 1 again, a carry will be generated, and these lanterns will light up, and you get the idea. The CCA uses this same logic to find out its carries, which is actually very genius. Now, the CCA was actually made by a person called the Magical Genius. I will put his channel on the screen right now. If you've made it this far into the video, I'm very thankful because I'm not that good at explaining. So, if you actually learned something, it's great. I hope you have a great day. See you later.